U Briselu peva hor. Došao opušteni diktator. I sad.
You are out of the pictures.
Okay.
You are really good, but you are
Okay.
against on
Okay.
the 2 left.
Video informator koji ste dugo čekali. Opušteni diktator.
The city. There it's really a city. You have everything. You can be like autonomous without going somewhere else than there.
There is 70 children, so we have one shower for 150 people with only cold water.
There is nothing about Serbia.
No, nothing.
So no one single word.
I just hear from a friend who called me that in Liège a man took a Kalashnikov and killed 4 persons.
Ovih dana se sluša mnogo priča iz Brisela. I mnogo priča Briselu. Sve to pričaju onako neke velike, ozbiljne, političke, moćne glave. Zbog toga u našoj zemlji većina običnog sveta ili psuje, ili tuguje, ili se veseli.
Zato smo htjeli da ovde na licu mesta pokažemo šta obični ljudi iz te Evropske unije misle o svemu tome.
Serbia. It's the war.
I don't have an image of Serbia, so less modern as in Belgium. Less modern.
Ça fait penser à la guerre qu'il y a eu avec la Bosnie.
Okay.
Can you translate me?
Yeah, he says he thinks directly about the war between Bosnia and Serbia.
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know nothing about it.
No, I just said it's a cold country.
Surely Serbia. Well, like we talked about Kusturica and the Chitan people, the moving people, war also, of course, what happened a few years ago, well, many years ago, and the dictature from before, and nowadays rebuilding the country.
Serbie, ça vous fait peur?
Serbie, c'est un pays comme les autres, c'est tout. Mais je crois qu'ils sont pauvres là-bas.
Okay, he says it's a country like every countries, one in all of countries.
I've been there a very long time ago, so I have some nice images. Then of course the war completes the image. I would imagine a life that is not really easy, but maybe a society full of hope now.
What is your first impression, image that you have when I tell you word Serbia?
Lot of friends, difficult country, interesting. I feel attracted. I still have to define the reasons why. I think typical example of Slavic way of life, which really attracts me.
zanimalo nas je šta je za nekoga ko živi u Evropskoj uniji dobra, a šta loša strana. Šta mi to dobijamo, a šta gubimo.
I think the good side, when you are European, to good side, it's to stay together. You know, the bad side, it's politic, it's bullshit. That's it.
What's the good side is that when you can travel free, you are all the same, something like that. And what's the bad side is that you all pay for the countries who do less than your country, so like Greece or something.
So for me, it's not a good idea to go far on the EU, and I think if Serbia is still autonomous, that they should stay autonomous by themselves.
I really don't know. I don't know such things.
You can travel in other countries without passports, and you can use your own same money and things like that. As a bad point, I would say kind of uniformization. And that's probably dangerous. I think it's important that every minority keeps its own historical roots. That is important, I believe. And when you gather a big movement, it's always a risk that you lose your own identity. So I would say to Serbians, for example, remain Serbians and welcome in Europe.
Ici, maintenant, la Belgique qu'on connaît avant, c'est pas d'aujourd'hui. Ici, c'est vraiment, il y a de la crise, même les gens viennent ici, il n'y a pas moyen, ils vont dormir au trottoir, qu'on dit. Il y a déjà assez de gens comme ça. Donc, tu vois bien ce qui se passe. Hein?
Yeah, he thinks that Serbia is...
Il n'y a pas de travail, c'est fini.
He thinks that Serbia is a poor country, but also here in Belgium it's like crisis, and if people come here to work or to think it's paradise, the people sleep here in the streets and people are quite poor here also.
What is a good side and what is a bad side to be a member of EU? So what we win and what we lose if we are a member or not?
I don't know. Winning is some access to funds, I suppose. In terms of losing, you don't lose nothing, but I really don't see any real advantage apart this access to funds, but you have to pay more on the other side. So I'm skeptical about accession to EU for a country like Serbia, and especially because you lose the most important thing is the soul.
Opušteni diktator je posetio udruženje umetnika Kontrabendo. Nekoliko mladih ljudi koji su se udružili ne bili svoje ideje pretvorili u javu, ne bili pokušali bar to da urade. Njihov umetnički izražaj ne spada u mainstream. Oni su drugojačiji, svoji i kao takvi uspevaju da plivaju.
You are here in Schaerbeek in Brussels. Okay, but this space, what is it? This space is our working space. So we have a collective and we find this space and we share it between 6 persons.
Our association is Entrabendo, and it's a Spanish word which means like a black market when you buy something not official. Contrabando, and we are not doing the contrabando of cigarettes or textiles, or it's a contrabando of IDs, of IDs.
In fact, this is a short-term place for us because the owner will do some work here and make it into a real space, maybe for living or working, I don't know. So waiting this moment, he rented to us for a small price, and we don't have heat, we don't have water, there is no isolation.
For the moment, most of the time I'm quite cleaning the thing because we are arranging these things like you can see, but most of the time we are meeting each other on every Tuesday to have a meeting together. And so we speak about the projects, and we also draw. We spend time to speak together and drawing.
Paintings on walls, on canvas, on everything, on paper, and also music.
Yeah, the atmosphere is quite nice here, so it's nice to spend time here to just feel free of what happens also outside. Yeah, it's a nice place to go to be quiet. Yeah.
Just share it in six different areas, and everybody has his working space, and we have, as you see, all kind of stuff that everybody can use to realize their own work.
In Brussels, in the west, we are lucky because everything is there. We can buy everything. We can walk everywhere, and we live in a peaceful country. There are political problems, but it's peaceful here.
One of the things I like here in Brussels is to meet so many people from different, like, education, from different culture, from different countries, and it's always a good experience to learn from each other. And so in Brussels you have that a lot. We are almost 200 nationalities, different nationalities.
Good side is that the place I was born, I know everything, and I think you can do your thing, whatever it is, and nobody will bother you for doing it.
Désarroi dans nos rues, je sens des relents de déjà-vu. Drôle d'odeur commandant, donne l'alarme qu'on entende.
A lot of people, a lot of things going on, the work, life in general, and all the consequences of it. So everybody is doing his job and not caring a lot of what is besides, and living their own life without, I don't know, thinking of something else. You know, it's big city mechanic, so everybody is on his little way. And
the bad side for me is that individualism is more and more important in everyday's life.
If you want to do official art, it's always the same institutions or galleries, museums, is very little space, so everybody have to go to the same place to show your works, to ask for money, for example, and so I think there is a lot of concurrence. That's not English. Competition. The competition is very strong.
Et puis ça fait tilt. J'ai bien compris, je fais tâche sans mes confettis. Je ne sais plus très bien qui me l'a dit. Yedi.
Serbia. I have a colleague of mine who is from Serbia and is a very nice person. After that, my father is from Hungary, and there is a border between these two countries.
Serbia. War. Yeah.
I don't know what exactly I know about Serbia. The thing is that I met Serbians, and I want to see that country to know exactly what I would feel at about that country.
Drugačija vrsta udruživanja ili od izvorne reči squat, koja opisuje bezemljaše Južne Amerike koji zaposedaju neobrađenu zemlju da bi preživeli, do zapadnoevropskih koji se bore za autonomne zone u urbanim sredinama. Često se događa, baš na zapadu, da imamo obe kategorije zajedno. Kao Žizu, mesto u koje ulazimo. Skvot koji je nastao kada je jedan broj ljudi zauzeo nekadašnji napušteni gerontološki centar katoličkih sveštenika. Iako je potrebna dozvola saveta Žizua, mi smo kao diktatori ipak uspeli da uđemo i da dođemo do sledećih jedinstvenih snimaka.
Ima miris koji poznajem, neki znak, ima opis koji prezirem. Ovo nebo, vječna nada u meni ostaje. Moj put, tako nepredvidiv je.
How many people live here now?
147 officially. But you know that we are not far from Gare du Nord station. Yeah, so sometimes there are more than that. How many kids? At the beginning there were 67, now there are 71.
When you say kids, how old kids?
Our kids, I count from the age of 0 month to 18. To live in this kind of building, the difference is that so you are not, you don't pay rent. For example, that's a big advantage. You know the normal price of renting in Belgium, for example.
What's the normal price?
The normal price when you live, for example, we take an example from Slovak's family who lives here. They have, some have 10 children, for example. If they have to rent a flat in the city, you can realize how much it will cost. They need already 4 or 5 rooms. It's more than 1,000 and something. And they don't, most of people who live here, they don't have a Belgian identification card. So, and the two big population don't have papers.
This time we do for Noel, for Fest, we do a market, big market in the church. So yeah, here. That's why I clean, you know. And yes, I have a cinema here. You know, I have space here. That's why I come.
And what do you do for living?
For living, it's some recuperation of for food like tomatoes and potatoes like this. For meat, I have to buy, so I have to make money.
And so, what I ask you, how you make money in Brussels?
Sometimes I make first, you know, like this. For I win maybe I don't know how many, but I have also cinema. It's alternative cinema.
So you sell the ticket?
Yeah, I sell. I have bar. I sell beer, and I have also entrée ticket. It's not too much. It's €1, €2 for come, and I make a little bit money, but not too much. You know, I can. Sometimes I don't eat. It's like this, and I smoke too much, so I prefer buy for smoke.
No, I don't live here. I have an atelier here.
And how?
Before the squat already.
How big is this building? Explain me this space. I see just a small part. How it looks in a global picture.
Yeah, you have 5 levels, 5 floors, and I don't know how many rooms, but it's big. It's very big. It's a U, this on 5 floors and a lot of children and a lot of family. But I was here before the squat, and but I stay until now. I love it. It's not expensive, of course, and I love the kids. Yeah, fortunately they are there. Yeah.
Can we report her?
It's Yuba.
No, Yuba, Teresa.
No, it's
Yeah,
Yuba
Teresa.
and Teresa.
No, yeah, Teresa.
Teresa. Okay, okay.
Because I live in a city of 100 kilometers from here. This is a little city, and I was in school, and I have to pay my studies, and I have to work for pay. And so after I have a lot of debt, and I can't rent an apartment. So it was an obligation to find a place where I can't pay.
And what are the conditions in this flat? They have the hot water?
We don't have hot water. We have electricity, but electricity shut down every 15 minutes because there is too much volts. Because people in the rooms have old materials like old kitchens with big problems of electricity. So we have one shower for 150 people with only cold water.
At the beginning, when he come here in this place?
Where?
When?
Quand est-ce que vous êtes arrivé ici?
En Belgique.
En Belgique et ici.
Ouais, en Belgique. Ici 1 an et en Belgique, ça fait 10 ans.
Okay. 1 year ago he came here, but he's in Belgium for 10 years.
Where come from?
Vous venez d'où?
Du Maroc.
Morocco?
And for this life here, how this common normal day look like? What is the difference between so-called family lives around and this life here?
Comment est-ce que vous ressentez la vie ici par rapport à en dehors, la vie de famille peut-être
Ouais, mais c'est aussi la vie de famille. Hein.
Here it's also family life, like family.
No, I'm not born here. I was born in Cameroon, and I've studied in France. I live in university. Yeah. I found work in England, Germany, and so on. So I've traveled a lot.
And you finished university, yeah?
Yeah.
Which university?
Which
university you finished?
In France, in Frankreich. I'm here from gestion. You said it. That's management courses. Yeah.
Management. Okay. And how happened? Usual picture about managers that they are successful. They have the houses. How you jump here?
Yeah, because I have it every time difficult because I have another life. I didn't want to live like all other my colleagues who live in European, thinking for themselves.
In the summer it's great because you have the garden, you have the sun, you don't need so much electricity. And in the summer it's a great place. In the winter, voilà. In the winter it's like that.
Allez. Ouais. Donc c'est bien.
Ça c'est bien.
On va commencer.
Ouais, comment ça?
Enlève ça d'ailleurs. Ok. On sait jamais. Ça que tu retrouves pas tout, le fruit.
What is the bad side of life?
The best side is girl, I think, Flamand and Hollandaise. Too much energy, too much. It's a low thing,
I like this city before, but now I don't.
Are you happy here?
Here, yes.
In Brussels?
In this place, yes. In Brussels, no.
Are you happy now in Brussels?
If you take the two sides, I'm happy in Brussels because I'm free in my mind, if I can say, but I'm not happy too because I haven't done what I wanted to do. Okay. You understand? Yeah, so you have a little bit anger in your, because in your mind, because that's not what you wanted. So it's like an accident in your life. I didn't expect any day that I will come in Brussels. That's the truth.
Chicas, abajo vuestras bragas. Después de esta canción se os van a bajar solas.
Serbia. War?
Dans la Serbie, la guerre, c'est tout.
War, only war.
There was the war, and we were in the mountains, and there were bombs, and we live in a village with people. It was very nice.
It's not Serbia.
Yugoslavia.
Ex-Yugoslavia, that actually is Croatia now.
No, it was in the part of Yugoslavia who was in Serbia, I think.
And Yugoslavia is in Croatia.
Croatia.
With Emir Kusosa.
Serbia, we think every time of war, because that's what comes every now, but for me, before, Serbia was football, because I like football. It was like that.
Chicas, abajo vuestras bragas. Después de esta canción se os van a bajar solas.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you from the heart.
A man took a Kalashnikov and killed 4 persons, and 60 persons are buried. And that's just now, 5 minutes ago.
What is your now first impression about that?
But you can't imagine it's true, but it happens all the time, every day. So now it's more close than other information, because we're not used to that in Europe, I would say. But yeah, what can you say to others? We just continue our lives.
Vidjeli smo šta sa lica mesta i poprišta obični ljudi poručuju običnim ljudima. Samo za vas, vaš videoinformator, opušteni diktator.
Hoćemo li u Šabac na vašar? Hoćemo! Hoćemo li u Šabac na vašar? Hoćemo! Da idemo, da se provedemo, da idemo, da se provedemo. Hoćemo li fijaker uzeti? Hoćemo! Hoćemo li fijaker uzeti? Hoćemo! Ja sam pijak, hoće me popeti. Ja sam pijak, hoće me popeti.
dugotrajno robovanje i rđava uprava mogu toliko zbuniti i unakaziti shvatanje jednog naroda da zdrav razum i prav sud u njemu otančaju i oslabe, da se potpuno izvitopere. Takav poremećen narod ne može više da razlikuje ne samo dobro od zla u svetu oko sebe, nego ni svoju sopstvenu korist od očigledne štete. Ivo Andrić, dobitnik Nobelove nagrade za književnost 1961. godine.
U Briselu peva hor, došao opušteni diktator. I sad.
You are out of the pictures.
Okay.
You are really good, but you are a bit on the too left.
Video informator koji ste dugo čekali. Opušteni diktator.